There's one, there's one.
Alright, what's up guys? Going fishing this morning. I told y'all to be going fishing here pretty soon. We're headed that way. Been there about 3-4 minutes. I got a spinnerbait hooked up. I got a bandito bug, bandito bug hooked up on there right now. Probably end up switching, to be honest with you, because it's 45 out. This good weather sometimes don't have a biting, so I ain't gonna promise you I'll catch anything this morning, but I'll definitely try. One thing I've noticed coming through here is there are squirrels running across this road everywhere, so maybe sometime we'll squirrel hunt on this road, but I'm pulling up to the pond right now, and I'll get back to you when I'll have a fishing pole in my hand. Alright, here we are. Got a spinnerbait here. Cut the head of the fluke off and put it on the bottom there, so it looks really good. So here we go. Let's see what it looks like here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. First cast of the year. Oh, I got hit on. I got hit on first cast of the year. Wow. Got one, baby! Got one, baby! Got one! First fish of the year! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! First fish of the year! First fish of the year! Let's go, baby! Let's go with the little feller, but you know what? It's the first fish of the year, so I ain't gonna be complaining. I caught him on the fluke, baby. Let's go! That right there is what I came for. Second cast of the year. Alright, y'all see that right there? That's a dead catfish. I don't know what causes that. I really don't. I don't know. I guess it can be cold, I guess. I have no clue. But at first I walked up the way it looked, I thought it was a big old bass just laying there dead. It's a catfish. I don't know about it. That's sad to see. Got one, baby. Got one. It's a good one. It's a good one. Right there. It's a long fish. That's a good fish, though. That's a good fish. Look at that right there. Long and... Yeah. 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 That's a good fish. I'd say about a pound. That's a good. Let's send him back on his way. Baby, let's go. That's the second fish of the day. Second fish of the year. Bait looks good still. He hit that rock right there. So they're setting shallow right now, actually. Oh, I thought I had one. Look at this dog. I think he's eating in the water. There's one. Oh, he's good. He's a good one. He's good. Yes. It's a good fish. It's a good fish. Another good one. That's another decent fish. Easy now. Easy. That's number 3. Oh, got him hooked right there. What the heck? There we go. Right there. What you doing? Get the spinnerbait. Get. God. It's a decent little fish. He's a little thin fish. This is number 3. 3rd fish of the year. I'm catching him today. Spinnerbait. Let's get another picture here. Let's get another picture. Now, for a while, and I ain't had no luck. But I'll show you where I caught them first 3 on. Here. All it is a little spinnerbait. It's a Dobbin spinnerbait. And I have a fluke that I cut the head off of. And I just put it right under there. And it looks real good in the water. I caught them first 3 this morning. And I haven't really caught anything since. That sun is so bright. But it looks pretty though. It's sunshine, so it's better than what we have been having. I have Letty here. You don't have much to say. What's your name? I know your brother's name, but I don't know your name. Bendy. Bendy. Bendy's the name. And Bendy's the name and fish is the game, ain't that right? Yeah. But I'm going to keep on fishing a little bit longer if I ain't got anything. And these next 30 minutes, probably about 30 minutes, I'm gonna head back to the house. I've had some good luck, so I can't complain. It's the first fish of the year, so let's see if we can add a couple more on here. I think we could. I think we can when we get over here on this dam part of the lake. And let's get to. There's one, baby. There's one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's a good fish. That is what you want to catch. He choked it. Easy now. Easy now. There we go. Oh my God, that's a good fish. There right there, ladies and gentlemen, is a good fish. Healthy. That's a no, not 2 pounds. It's a pound. Pound and a half. Give him pound and a half. He's got them red lips going. Whoa. Easy now. Here we go, baby. Let's go. Seeing y'all on this one right here. Ready? In the video right here. Okay, but so caught 4 today. Not very good for summertime fishing, but it is 45 degrees right now. So I told y'all I had a fishing video, so here it was, 45-degree weather, and I caught 4 fish. I am pleased with that. Spinnerbait done good. I just took a fluke, a Zoom fluke, simple, white, and I cut the head off of it, maybe about that much, maybe about an inch off the head, and slid it up on that hook, left the hook open, and it worked. So I'm pleased with how that worked, and I'll have a turkey video coming soon. I heard turkeys gobbling over here on the hill over here. It's coming, baby. It's coming. So I'm gonna end the video here. Hope y'all have a good day, and I'll see y'all next.